पूरा लोकल।
So we are really excited and thrilled today to bring a unique initiative launched yet again by Dish TV India Limited ahead of time, ahead of any of its competitors in the market. Not only in India, I would say we are the first company globally to come out with this kind of an offering where a customer has the privilege to choose anything around the world of entertainment and content, and it enables him to watch under the same subscription without paying anything extra for it on any device of his choice, anytime and anywhere under the same plan. So if a customer is paying me, for example, 250 bucks today, 250 rupees today, he continues to enjoy all the linear channels, the pack which he has subscribed on DTH, as well as the offerings of OTT which we have bundled with it now, without giving even a single rupee extra to me. So even if it is 250 rupee pack he subscribed, he gets it. If he's on 350 rupees pack, he gets it. So that is a unique offering which we have come out with, and I am sure that this is going to, like always, we have been the one who have given a new direction and new definition to the world of entertainment. This is going to be having same kind of ripple effects in the industry going forward.
Sorry, sir. Yes.
Basic price is that anybody who has a subscription of 200 rupees and more on Dish and DTH platform can get all these services. And if you are not on a Dish and DTH platform, there is a unique offering for you wherein you pay me only 3,000 rupees and I give you all these subscriptions, your TV as well as OTT. And the bumper offering is that you get 5,500 the cashback from me. So you pay me 3,000, but I am paying you back 5,500, which will take care of your TV viewing practically for next 24 to 30 months.
ఓకే సో ఈరోజు డిష్ టీవీ స్మార్ట్ ప్లస్ లాంచ్ చేయడానికి వచ్చాను అండ్ ఐ థింక్ ఇది జస్ట్ నాట్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద బెస్ట్ బట్ ది బెస్ట్ మీడియా ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ కంపెనీస్ బికాజ్ ఒక కన్జ్యూమర్కి డిమాండ్స్ అండ్ చాయిసెస్ ఆర్ చేంజింగ్ ఇన్ టుడేస్ టైమ్స్ లైక్ వీ యూస్ టు సీ డీడీ బిఫోర్ దెన్ వీ సీ మూవీస్ అండ్ దెన్ there were TV serials, TV, and then during Corona, OTT really came up, so like if I am at home and if I'm watching TV and there are channels, then I have to separately again watch OTT on a separate this thing. So I feel idi oka best thing for an Indian family, because oka Indian family lo there is a old lady, there is a grandmother, there is a child, there is husband, wife, andarki choices different ga untundi. So for that idi oka platter lo in one place you get to see everything, and that too oka chala less rate lo. So that is what I feel is great about it. And I think not just in India, not just here, but I think full world lo idi first time you're getting this kind of an offer. So I'm happy to be launching this.
సో అంటే మీరు ఎస్పెషల్లీ డిష్ టీవీ ఎట్లా అట్రాక్ట్ అయ్యారు, ఎట్లా అప్రోచ్ అయ్యారు, ఎందుకు చూస్ చేసుకున్న బ్రాండ్?
అది నాకు తెలియదు, బట్ ఐ థింక్ ఐ వర్క్డ్ ఇన్ 4-5 లాంగ్వేజెస్ అండ్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఆల్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్స్లో కూడా వర్క్ చేశాను. అందుకే ఐ థింక్ దే ఆస్క్డ్ మీ టు కమ్ హియర్.
ఎట్లా ఉంది క్వాలిటీ, ఎట్లా ఉంది?
ब्रांड एम्बेसडर है मैडम?
नहीं brand ambassador नहीं हूँ. I have just come here to launch it here, and in Bangalore also I launched it. Okay. Yeah.
సో ఎట్లా ఉందండి, చూసారా ఆ క్వాలిటీ అని ఓటీటీలో ఎట్లా బాగుంటుందా డిష్ టీవీ?
అది ఈజీ కాదు. లైక్ ఇఫ్ ఐమ్ సిట్టింగ్ ఆన్ సోఫా, ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు నౌ స్టాప్ ద టీవీ ఛానల్, దెన్ అగైన్ సైన్ ఇన్, go on OTT, then pay this, pay that separately. So this makes my life very easy. And like if my brother wants to watch something else, or somebody wants to watch Indian Idol, Saregama, something, and I want to watch this, so then we fight with the remote, right? So this is easy and it's lesser price also.
అప్పుడు ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ అండి, కొత్త ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా?
So ippudu Ardham, there is a movie called Ardham by Tips Telugu that is coming. Then there's another movie with Lakshmi Manchu, Ananya Lagala, called Lechindi Mahila Lokam, and inka okate Hindi movie with Jaideep Alawat. Thank you.